3 benefits of doing sex with wife during early morning, and they are: friends, the God has appointed suitable time for sex, which is early morning. That time is so useful when you doing sex with your wife and have more benefits, which we gonna share in this video today. Number 1, tiredness and laziness has been finished. Friends, doing sex in early morning when night tiredness and laziness finishes and every organ of body enjoys more while doing sex. A woman keenly desires and takes more interest on doing sex in morning because body is relaxed and all the organs of body derives full satisfaction. Number 2, more sexuality. Friends, doing sex in morning time, is useful too. And that there can occur 2 or 3 rounds of intercourse easily. Because the stomach is empty, and then with empty stomach the organ of man and woman is more light, which causes resulting in a stable performance for a long time. By that both can do sex 2 or 3 times easily, and the couple does not feel any tiredness and laziness. Number 3, increase in the duration of sex. Friends, doing sex in morning time, the duration of sex would be increased, because in early morning the organ of a man and woman is stable with more power and strength due to hours of fasting, and feels more fresh after a night relaxation, so that's why the duration of sex of a man and woman increases and both can have sex for a much longer time. Friends, if you like these facts, do share them with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.